is going to make money. I'm gonna get some test bundles of this and see if that sells well together. We'll see how these test buys go. This is what, $376 of inventory to resell. Now, the best part of the research, let's see what it actually sold for. We are going back to Ollie's today to get our money. If you weren't here last week, I'm going to link that video above, but we went to Ollie's to find some products to take off the shelves and resell. But my phone decided that it did not want to have service in there. So instead, I had to take pictures of all of the shelves, come back home and do the research that way. So now we are going back, we are finding those products that were profitable and maybe even finding some more now that a new shipment has arrived. If you're new here, I'm Cassandra with ProfitGuru, and on this channel, I love to come every single week to show you guys just how easy it is to make money online reselling, specifically on places like Amazon and eBay. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button because it really means a lot to us and it helps out our channel so that we can keep coming here each week to make free videos for you. So today I have two of my children with me, so we're doing things a little bit differently. I'm gonna go in, scout it out, see if the products are still there from last time and see what's there for new inventory. I'm going to take a picture of it. Really what I'm looking at is there's like a first little round and it has a lot of like bathroom stuff, shampoos and conditioners and body soaps. That's where I'm looking. That is really what I'm finding to be the gold mine at Ollie's. I'm going to take those pictures, I'm going to come back out to my car, get my kids McDonald's so that they can sit there and eat their lunch while I research on my laptop if those new products are profitable. Then we're gonna go in and scoop them all up. Make sure you stay with me until the end because I'm not only showing you what I'm buying, but I'm also going to list them with you so that you can see exactly where I'm listing them, how I'm listing them, and how easy this whole thing is and why you should definitely be doing it too. All right, let's go shopping.
You hit my face with your crock. Cody, I'm not Cody. It's not night yet. It's still the morning. No, you can only go there in the night. Go back. Are you recording us? You calm down. You need to calm down.
You're being too loud. Taylor Swift.
Stop. Really what nice weather we're having, right?
Absolutely. Do you like the mascot that looks like an old man?
No.
Why?
It kind of looks ugly.
What about that one?
What the?
We need a cart.
Birthday graduation card.
Beep beep.
Have a good day and then.
Good?
Wait, what is that back there?
What? Toy Story?
Yeah, I'm getting this.
Just walked in and you're already putting stuff in the cart.
Mom.
That's how it goes.
It comes with Bo Peep and like Woody.
We're here to make money, not spend it.
Mama, it's called Little Owl's Love.
Oh, want to read it while we're in the cart?
Yeah.
That's the best. You just read it for free.
I thought this person was an old man. Like I thought he was an old man.
But he wasn't?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because
okay.
I forgot that old people can't have jobs.
Old people can't have jobs?
Yeah.
Why not?
Because they won't want to go to their place.
Oh, they want to like relax at home?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to go there again.
These seem like the good winners from today. There's a pretty good amount here. I think some more back there too. These ones sold okay. There was only 6 these ones, but they don't sell super great. I'm still gonna get them. And these ones, same thing. There are more of them. They didn't sell super great, so I'm gonna get a dozen of these, maybe put them in packs of 2. What else? They have a lot of these Tresemes. They have the satin gloss and the full and silky. I'm gonna get some test bundles of this and see if that sells well together. Same with these ones here. They didn't sell too bad on their own, but I'm thinking if I put them in a bundle as a 3-pack, a watermelon, a white peach, and a vanilla bean, that will probably be a nice bundle that should sell good. $12 invested, and they should sell easily for $30. These a limited edition sell well. I randomly found one of these on the shelves right here. Clearly out of place, but that is going to make money. I need to go see if there's more. And then last but not least, a lot of these badias did look good on both Amazon and eBay. So we're going to pick those up, especially the different peppers. like the lime pepper, mango pepper, orange pepper, put those together in bundles. Cilantro lime, put that in a multi-pack listing, and we'll see how these test buys go. This is what $376 of inventory to resell looks like. I did have a 10% off coupon, so that was nice. It did a little saving there. Now, before I take the pictures, first I need to go onto eBay and figure out how many am I putting in a set. So I want to research what is offered right now for sale for these products, and then also look at what has sold. That's really going to tell us how much we can sell these for, and if we should do a single or a multi-pack, or how we should list these to best maximize our profits. So we have this refresh scrub here, $1.99, and now we will plug that into eBay. And we can see that there are 9 results for this. So there are not a lot of sellers. And down further, these aren't even the correct product. So really, we only have these 5 listings that are active with the product that we have. Now let's go over and see what has sold already. So we can see here that we have 2 that just sold in July, a single for $11.99 with free shipping, and a 2-pack for $13.42 with free shipping. So now I'm going to, in a very detailed, organized way, just kidding, I have about 5 notebooks all over the place that I just write in. I'm going to write down these stats, what it sold for, what it's listed for, how many I should put for the picture. And I'm going to do this with all of the products first, and then next we'll take the photos. These are pretty light, 8.8 ounces, so it'll be just over a pound to ship. I don't think that is too bad for shipping. I think people on eBay really like to see free shipping. I know that I do. I will always choose the price that has free shipping versus having to pay for shipping. So I don't really see this top one as a big competitor. $17 plus $11.60 in shipping. So I'm going to want my price to be right around here so I can be competitive with them. They have free shipping. But the thing that I really need to look into are the fees. I'm very fluent with the Amazon fees, but being new to eBay, I need to make sure that there's still profit after the fees. Now I just did the same thing with this product here. This was a really good find, $2.99, and I'm going to pop it right up on the screen so that you can see the listing price and what it is being sold for are very similar, so I'm excited about this product. Next we have this Maui hair care. I have 5 right here. I did have 6, but my kid said that these are really popular and he wanted to take one. $3.99 for these. Let's do a little research and see how we should list them and for what price. Smells really good. I want to use one so bad, but I can't if it's profit. It's like just washing your hair with money. You just can't do it. All right, Maui Moisture Hair Care. We have 1 bottle, $13.19. 2 bottles between $29.99 and $32. Even though this single one right here is cheaper, that's $18 in shipping. So I'm not even going to consider that as true competition. Now, the best part of the research, let's see what it actually sold for. We have a 2-pack in May for $28.85, and now in July, we can definitely see that these are selling. I think what I want to do is a 2-pack and a 3-pack. Since I have 5, I'll put a listing with 2 together and then a listing with 3. We'll see how that goes. Now that we've done the research and we know the listing price that we want and how many units we want in each listing, we can take the photographs. So we have this white easel paper and I just flip it up, and that gives me a really nice white surface to take these photographs on. When I first started, it was daylight, so I had really good daylight coming in, and when I finished, it was nighttime. So I did have to bring some of my recording lights downstairs, but it's so important to make sure that your photo looks good. Aside from having good photos to make you get the sale over your competitor, something else I found interesting is that you can figure out how to be different. So when I was looking at these cake bites, I didn't really see a variety. There was either the Grogu packs or the Mandalorian packs. Probably saying those wrong because I never watched Star Wars. So to be different and stand out, I'm going to put these boxes together. I'm going to put 2 of each in the listing as a bundle, similar to what I would do on Amazon. I did look up these products on Amazon, and they don't have listings that are for a high enough sell point after all of the Amazon fees to even be profitable. So that's why I'm listing those here. We're also going to list all of the other products I found at Ollie's on eBay. Number one, because a lot of these are well-known brand names on Amazon, they can hit you with an intellectual property violation. Too many of those and you're shut down. eBay, it's not really like that. You can pretty much list anything you want. You don't have to get ungated and do approvals or send in invoices. You just list the product. Doesn't matter the brand or category. I'm super excited about these. If you follow me at all on TikTok or Instagram, you'll see that I found these and they are not being made anymore. So these are selling for a really good price. The store only had 2 boxes of the Darth Vader, but my husband asked, and apparently they think they're going to be getting in more of these. Not just these ones, all of them. So, oh shoot, see, slow and steady wins the race. One worker, she was new, but she told me that the truck comes in on Tuesday. So tomorrow's Tuesday. I'm definitely going to go pop in, see if the truck arrived, and talk to one of the ladies who is a worker that I see there all the time. She's been there a long time, and see if she can give me more detailed when the trucks come in, when they get unloaded, all of that. All these stickers are so annoying. There are packs of these, just 2 packs, going for almost $30. So I have a lot of good hope in these. I'm really excited to get into showing you guys how to do eBay more and doing eBay more myself, because as Amazon is kind of like changing over the years, that's a great spot to build your own brand. But if you're interested in arbitrage, those fees are going up and up, and eBay, it's so much more simple. Let's talk about eBay fees real quick. There's no monthly subscription, and you get to list 250 products for completely free. Create 250 listings, they don't charge you to do that. Now, after 250 listings, if you have more than that, then it's only 35 cents per listing. The other fee is called a final value fee. When your item does sell on eBay, they're going to keep a certain percentage of the sale. And this can vary across different categories and products. On top of that, they charge a per order fee. If the product is listed for less than $10, it's a 30-cent fee. If it's over $10, it's a 40-cent fee. So that's really it. Amazon, on the other hand, it's not so simple. What I do love is how simple the eBay app is and how easy it is to list products. When you're making an Amazon listing, that can take you, to do it the right way, it can take you days. It really can. On eBay, we can really sell anything and it is so easy to list. I just go to my eBay app, and now we're going to go to list item, type into the search keywords to describe what you're selling, and now they're going to suggest a category among subcategories deeper and deeper, and you get to choose which one is most relevant and makes the most sense. Now, if you can find a related listing, which there should be this item sold at least one other time on eBay, it is going to save you so much time. This is an Amazon. The sellers are not sharing one listing. You're creating your own separate listing. But you don't have to start from scratch if you can find a listing that is similar. So we're going to choose this one. It's not exactly the same. So you can see I do have to change a few words here to make it my listing, but still, that saved so much time. Now all I need to do are take those photos that we did on the white paper, upload those, and now for the description. It cannot get any easier than this. You're going to use AI, which is plugged right in there, to write the description for you. One last thing I really recommend you do is to go to the shipping and offer the buyer free shipping. I know on Amazon, people love to have that Prime account because they don't want to pay shipping on every product that they buy, because I hate paying shipping. I feel like a lot of people feel that way. So you're much more likely to get a sale on eBay if you offer the buyer free shipping. Now, what's really cool about eBay is it's going to give you an estimate based on all those dimensions you just put into the listing, based on the size and the weight, and give you some range of what the shipping is going to be. So this way, you're not really paying for the shipping, the buyer's paying for it, because you are increasing whatever sale price you wanted by what the shipping is. Maybe I have a lipstick that's going to cost $3 to ship. If I wanted to list it for $17, I'm gonna bump it up to $20. It's all like a mind game. They're paying the shipping, but they don't think they are. Thanks for tagging along with me today. I hope this was helpful and you can see just how easy it is to find products on the shelves and relist them for a higher price and make profit by reselling them on places like eBay and Amazon. I cannot wait to come back and show you the results of what sold through well and how much profit we made. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss one of our videos. I'll be back next week, and I'll see you in the next video.